The wind's blowing it over. I like the black one. There's the black one. The little black one.
I'm so ready.
We got a new car. What kind of car did we get?
Camaro.
Yeah.
Camaro.
So now we're getting a tan while we drive. Except Grammy, she's covered up back there. We're at the wet cave. We're just driving around the wet cave. No parking, and we're totally parking. Grammy and Poppy's last day in Kauai, and they're leaving tonight. We drop them off at the airport, and then we're here.
Oh, don't sound so happy.
And then we're here tonight, and then tomorrow, and we leave tomorrow night. But we're not thinking about that. But we actually have lunch today, not just a snack. Miles already claimed his chips. We're about to go swimming while waiting Beach in Kauai, and I forgot the underwater camera, so I'm being very careful with this camera. Ooh. Actually, it's pretty warm. Nice. What?
I don't know what the last word is.
That's PBY, that's not pay.
Oh.
Something. Happy you're home, I think is what it said. It looks like it was happy you're home.
You're probably right. Yeah.
Happy you're home. We're walking to Maloa Beach, past these $1 million homes, and the waves sound huge, huge, huge. Waves are huge right here.
Chilly.
Well, I'm thinking. Waves are huge. Hey, hey, watch right here. There's a ditch here. I'm sinking. Successful day at the beach. Yep. My other camera definitely is full. The SD card is full. And Miles's phone crashed and burned in the ocean.
Good for you.
So now he needs a new one.
You want to go there, Miles?
So we might go to
Let me call him real quick.
Horizon store. We're at Maloa Beach. All private property. Sexy!
I said,
Oh, Poppy, your hair. Gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
It's going to be so hard to call.
Oh, your hair. They're getting on a plane tonight.
No, what? What?
Wait. Oh, the cap was on. The cap was on. Oh, wait. Open it up. Open it up. So we have this stuff, the tattoo stuff, and Miles
Can't open it, my hands are too oily.
Wait, pull. Miles just wiped all of that on there, but it had melted. So he has a ton of sunscreen on him.
A ton of tattoo
Here.
block. He's got all of it, huh?
Oh, it's all, ew.
That was lovely.
That was funny.
We like Maloa.
We just ate at Duke's and we had to take home food. It was so good. Expensive, but good. And we ate right on the water with a full moon. It was great. And the dessert was great. It was a pie shaped like, or it was ice cream shaped like pie. It was good and big. Now we're walking around the Marriott, which is gorgeous. Lost him there. He was sleeping and now he's floating. Nighttime swim. So pretty. Where's Miles going? Where? There he is. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here, baby. He's like, where's my food?
Baby.
Huh? I don't see any food. It's a white-faced whistling duck. I want to see Duck Dynasty make that call.